And Jesus is going, no, I'm not giving you instructions. I'm saying, come and experience my heart. Come and experience your world the way I experience your world. Have you noticed that he says there, come and take my yoke. Most of us, if we found someone who was really struggling, we would say, here's a mattress. Lie down. Jesus doesn't offer a mattress, he offers a yoke. Now, what's a yoke? A yoke is something that oxen use to pull something. And he goes, here's a yoke. Why does he offer a yoke and not a mattress? It's simply this. What they would do is they would take a weaker oxen and a stronger oxen, and they would yoke them together. And then they would pull the plow. And the weaker oxen would experience the strength of the stronger oxen pulling. You know, the fact of the matter is, possible stressful situations will never be removed. Haven't you gone to some of those Christian conferences and they're like, Jesus is going to remove every obstacle? Lies. That's not Jesus' plan. Jesus is going, sometimes it'll be tough, but I want to teach you how to experience it like I experience it. Jesus is going, I'm not unconcerned. And I know when I say this, right? Do you realize that it's an offer? Right? He's like, I will give you rest. You know the thing about the offer that catches me? It's both really, really, really encouraging and really challenging. It's really, really, really encouraging because the rest comes from him.